Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to draw a majestic tiger step by step in a super easy way, made just for beginners. Don't worry, I will guide you slowly so you can enjoy drawing with me. So, grab your pencil, marker, and let's bring our tiger to life with love and creativity. Okay guys, our tiger is almost ready. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. If you felt happy creating this artwork, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy drawings. Your love and support means the world to me. Keep practicing, keep smiling and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye with lots of love.